Hello, this is Pawan, and today we are going to look at some basic Git commands. So let me create one folder. Say it's sample sample project, and here is our project. And we want to keep track of this folder. I mean, files in folder. Keep track of the files which are in this folder. Um, so here we are using terminal. So go ahead and open your terminal and type cd desktop, head to the desktop directory, then our folder is in sample our folder is in desktop directory, so we are in current desktop directory, and type cd sample project, and let me just clear this, and and we are creating simple file. Let's just call it as 1.txt, touch 1.txt. It will create one file. Okay, hit enter and you will see that here is one file, 1.txt, and open it in Gedit. I mean, any editor. I am using Gedit 1.txt. Okay, this is file is open now. Minimize. Okay, and just edit this file. Let just add first line. This is first line. Okay, and save it, and go ahead and close this file. Okay, and then we just have to, let me just clear screen, and we just have to say git init, and this will initialize a empty git repository in our in this folder. Okay, so what it does basically, it adds a git folder in this directory, but we are not able to see. Let me just type ls, and we just see 1.txt, and if we type ls -a, then we are going to see the hidden folder. Okay, .git. It means that git is initialized in this folder. Now let me just clear, and we have to add git add and file name 1.txt. We can add by doing this command, to add single file. Suppose we if we have multiple files, then we have to type git add dot, and this will add all the files in git. Okay, so now git commit. Now we have to commit changes, means what we have done. So git commit -m flag is for a message. Okay, so we have added file, and now we need to commit this. Okay, so I'm going to add some message. Just write some meaningful here, and this will say one file changed and one insertion. And if we hit a command git status, then we will see on nothing to commit, on working tree clean. So because this is already committed, so to view who did these changes, we have to type git log, and then we say author Pawan Devare, and on date, and what commit we have made. Here is our same message, and we are currently on a master branch. So branches are nothing but, suppose this is sample project, and there are team working on this project, and some people are working on some feature, so they will create new branch called as feature branch, and they will do their changes in their branch, and they will later on merge with the original branch. Original branch means nothing but master branch. and this is um, okay, that's it for this lecture. We will see more about this in next lecture.